21 Feng Shui house blessings tips for prosperity plus luck. Hello, my dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Feng Shui and exploring 21 tips that can bring prosperity and luck into your home. Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese practice that aims to harmonize individuals with their environment by arranging their surroundings like rooms and furniture. 1. Feng Shui suggests arranging your house in a square or rectangular shape for balance. 2. The front door should be in the center of the house to foster a good flow of energy. 3. Placing a water feature in the front right-hand corner attracts more opportunities. 4. Keep the back left corner clean for good health and fortune. 5. Avoid clutter under the stairs as it can block opportunities from materializing. 6. Maintain a clean toilet area for better wealth luck. 7. Keep the kitchen clean for healthier food and finances. 8. Hang a wind chime near the front door to attract wealth luck daily. 9. Place plants on both sides of your front door to increase your luck in love and relationships. 10. Hang red lanterns on both sides of your front door for good fortune in business and wealth luck throughout the year ahead. 11. Position red accessories near your main entrance to attract more money and opportunities into your home quickly.